Waktu saya
still checking if the place still cold. Moving in a way, no place, no snow. Straight chilling with my niggas and shiver. Thinking about South Lake, thoughts on the river. Move back, nigga, move back, nigga. Fake Jordan, ass whack ass bitch, nigga. I come back with 11 damn shots. I claim this city and I take your spot. Stay thinking about a white one, thinking about a bright sun that I changed straight from the dark shit. No tape when I'm playing with the black gun, nigga. You ain't never been a god since the last run. No stats in the place that show. A lot of niggas tell me that I never really own. Track to the place, back, nigga. Tell me that I'm like a nigga, but my flow sicker. Call me, call me, call me. I'm calling. Call me, call me, call me. Shit, yeah. Dressed like a motherfucking god when I reach the spot. Niggas always tell me that I made it from the empty slot. Change ways, niggas, no truth, no fly. Fuck a whack brand, no talk, no spot. Chase all day to the thoughts in the back. Put my niggas fuck bitches in the back of the cab. Claim riches, but a nigga been whack. Never talk, boy, with your fake ass neck. Cash, talking about cash, nigga. When I throw that shit, catch, nigga. Last time when I talk to a man, well, shit.
You're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. 'Cause you're a sky full of stars. 'Cause you light up the park. I don't care.
Kalau kata orang simbol kesuksesannya makers, BMW sudah menjadi BMW sukses. Kita berharap dengan hadirnya GSrek pada Aceh bisa membangkitkan semangat makers Aceh untuk bisa tetap konsisten untuk terus mengaungkan seperti dikatakan Ketua IB Aceh. Kita bangkitkan semangat barisan Aceh, kita bangkitkan usaha UMKM Aceh, kita bangkitkan semangat rakyat Aceh untuk kembali bangkit. Itu saja dari saya, mudah-mudahan sukses untuk kita semua. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Cause you're a sky full of stars. I wanna die in your arms. Cause you get lighter the more
kami ucapkan kepada Presiden Republik Indonesia, Bapak Ibu, Bapak Aceh, beserta rombongan-rombongan yang ikut mudik di Aceh. Kami senang Anda berkunjung di Aceh.
Intinya dengan lahirnya GSrek di sini, kami berharap justru komunitas bermotor ini menunjukkan tertib lalu lintas.
Lingkar mana saja yang mau dijalani sampai saat ini, jalan itu sudah baik. Itu tidak lain, saya bukan membidik berlebihan, tidak. Itu berkat daripada gubernur kami yang lalu, Gubernur Sulawesi.